Russell here with Park Superior Sales, and today I'll be showing you the brand new 2018 Platinum Coach Cadillac XTS Phoenix. This is a beautiful car. It's a black on black with a nice silver pinstripe going down the side. Full vinyl Tuxedo top, split with a nice polished crown band down the middle. And the stainless B and C pillars really tie in that nice look. Opening up to the church truck compartment, you can see it is a closed church truck. And what's nice about this church truck area is it has this flap that you're able to flip up, and it gives you access to either lay your church truck down or stand it up, whichever you prefer. And to the right of that, you'll see the umbrella storage area. Moving to the rear load door, you can see it is a very wide opening door. Gives your pallbearers plenty of room to work with. It also has a nice fold-out bumper protector carpet. And moving in, you can see it has a large built-in urn carrier that can also accommodate up to a baby-sized casket if need be. And up on the left and right, you can see the backlit shadow boxes. And as easy as this carpet folded out, it goes right back in. Now we'll open up to the spare tire compartment area. Has a brand new full-size spare along with the jack to the right of it. And this side, just like the church truck, also has a flap, which makes it a lot easier to work with. Gives you a little bit more room in case you need it. If you would like this beautiful car sitting in your driveway, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us at parksuperior.com.